All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Alan Lazard 8x10 winner's choice. So we'll check the time, December 17th at 11:40 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got December 17th at 11:40 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 8 is your winner. So, John, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 17th, 11:41 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.